pork and alligator smoked sausage. Ooh, look at that, everybody. Ninja Foodi XL Grill and Griddle. Beautiful, beautiful Nora Mill grits going. Maybe 10 more minutes on those. And we're gonna get some white cheddar stirred in. Boy, nothing like great grits to go with your smoked sausage. Extra sharp white cheddar. Wow, looking good. How about some of that cheese? White cheddar right in our Ninja saucepan. Get that stirred in. We're almost finished, guys. Woo! Steaming cheesy grits with white cheddar. How about we throw a little link of our sausage? Look at that. Doesn't that look great? How about another one? Just like that. Start your day like that, kids. Finish your day like that. Lunch, dinner. That looks too good. I gotta get a picture of that. Look what I got. Cheesy grits with alligator smoked sausage, guys. Doesn't it look awesome? Wow. Added that white cheddar in there, the paella seasoning, and just a touch of garnish right there with some Italian seasoning. Man, that's how you do it. You guys ready to eat? I think I am too. Hope you enjoyed this. Give this recipe a try, guys. Nora Mill grits, white cheddar, and that beautiful alligator sausage. Top Jimmy cooks. See you guys next time.